The next one is experience based testing technique. It is also part of dynamic design techniques. Okay. In experience based techniques, people should have knowledge, skills, and background are the prime importance to the test condition and test cases. Okay, so it says that people should have knowledge, and set of skills and background experience on the product. Okay, so that's the prime importance for the experience based techniques. So the experience of the both technical and business people is required, as they bring different perspective to the sorry as they bring different perspective to the test analysis and test design process. Because of the previous experience with similar systems, they may have an idea as what could go wrong, which is very useful for testing. So here what does it mean is experience based testing is nothing but the people who has knowledge on the system. Okay, the people who has very good knowledge on the system. Okay, and how the business scenarios are nothing but how users will use that application at the in the production. Okay, the users how they will use this application and what kinds of inputs they will give on the system. So by having this knowledge, okay, by having the business knowledge, and by having the technical knowledge, and by having the system knowledge, the product knowledge, or the domain knowledge, okay, by having all this knowledge, so you can able to derive some set of test cases. Okay, so in this scenario it might go wrong. Okay, there could be chance that if you run the same scenario, it might fail in other different browser, it may fail it. Okay, because sometime back we already seen this kind of issue. Okay, that's the experience, right? Okay, so this kind of scenarios usually fail in other different browser. Okay, I have seen this in my previous company or in my previous project. Okay, so let's write some test case on that. Okay, that's one thing. And okay, so when user give this kind of input, so it might go wrong. Okay, so all this previous experience, and domain knowledge, and technical knowledge, and how users will use it, that is business knowledge. So you'll be deriving certain test cases and using which you'll be testing it. Okay, so that is about experience based testing. So here there are two kinds of testings are there. One is error guessing and exploratory testing. Okay,